Introducing Craig's all-new general-purpose bucket for excavators. Its reliability, performance, and value all in one light-duty option. At Craig Manufacturing, we listen to the needs of our customers. That's why we've designed this bucket with the same trusted Craig quality, reimagined for an economical, value-driven approach. Designed for low abrasion and medium-light impact digging, the GP bucket is available for excavators ranging from 8 to 65 tons. Crafted entirely in-house, this bucket features a double-layered runner and is made with the same advanced manufacturing as our heavy-duty line, all built on the strength of an A514 QT100 premium steel base edge, ensuring long-lasting durability for daily light-duty tasks. You wouldn't use a sledgehammer to drive a nail. Drive more value instead by using the right tool for the job. Ask your dealership about the Craig GP bucket today.